In 2019 and 2025 crises, India jumped on the escalation in conventional domain rather quickly as compared to previous crises where more restraint was exercised. While India argues that it is also, while India argues that it is so because it's losing patience over Pakistan's alleged role in supporting terrorism in India, from Pakistan's perspective, it appears to be more of a commitment trap where BJP and the Prime Minister Modi has weaponized the terrorism narrative and using it for their political objectives at home and abroad. Therefore, the conventional escalation Rubicon was crossed in Pulwama Balakot, and that is why Indian response this time in 2025 crises was not a surprise. The type of response in mainland Pakistan, however, was a notch up on escalation ladder in contrast to 2019 airstrikes because of the choice of the targets in the main Pakistani cities, this time along the international border, and the type of weapons employed. However, Pakistan's conventional response that in Islamabad view has broken the myth of Indian supremacy in the conventional theater warfare and its willingness to go further up the escalation ladder worked in a way as a deterrent and served as an off-ramp also. The final push, as I said in previous question, was indeed the pressure from external third parties and the demonstration of risk, the demonstration of risk acceptance tendency from both sides, India and Pakistan, during the recent crises, might probably invite an early external intervention in future crises.